Are you a content creator looking for the perfect mic? Something compact, powerful, and crystal clear? Meet the tiny mic with a massive punch, the Lark M2. This might just be the game changer your content needs. It's about the size of a quarter. Small enough to hide, light enough to forget it's there, but powerful enough to deliver studio-grade audio. Magnets, clips, necklaces, however you want to wear it, the Lark M2 got a noisy background? Switch to noise cancellation mode and let your voice cut through the chaos. Battery beast mode. Up to 40 hours with the case, 10 hours on each piece. Whether you're using a phone, a DSLR, or your laptop, this works. I've got the combo version with USB-C, Lightning, and 3.5mm, but there are options for every creator. Inside the box, the Lark M2 system in its slick charging case, 2 transmitters, USB-C and Lightning receivers, a carrying pouch, 2 furry windshields, 2 magnetic clips, 2 necklace cords, USB charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable. The biggest win? No setup headaches. Just plug it in, clip it on, and you're recording in seconds. What mic are you using right now? Drop it in the comments. If this video helped, like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.